Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'm going to guide you on how you can actually delete a particular story on your TikTok account and how you can delete a posted story from your TikTok profile. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's tutorial video. So in today's video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually delete our TikTok story. So you might have posted a story and now you might want to delete it. So for that, first of all, I'm going to simply open my TikTok account. Once you open your TikTok account, you can see this is how it is going to look like. And at the bottom right hand side of the screen, we want to simply tap on our profile button. Now here you can see this post or this story right over here. But if you want to delete it, then again we want to simply tap on these three little dots, and then here you'll find an option called delete. As you tap on delete, it will ask you for a confirmation delete this story. Here again you want to simply go ahead and confirm by tapping on delete. As you do that, our story will be successfully removed from our profile. So in this way, you can really easily delete our TikTok story. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.